In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to enable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. End-to-end encryption means that only you and the person you're messaging can read what is sent. It keeps your conversations private and secure. To get started, open up the Messenger app and then tap on the conversation in which you want to enable end-to-end encryption. After that, tap on their name at the top left. Once you are on this page, scroll down and you'll see an option called Go to Secret Conversation. Tap on it. Now it will start a new chat with end-to-end encryption enabled with this specific person. This is exactly how you can enable end-to-end encryption on Messenger. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.